Okay, okay.
Okay, this is the data given to us, PPR data, variables. The variables are, so these are demographic variables, status perkawinan, put like kawin, right? Easier, shorter to see, kawin, bangsa, pendidikan, pekerjaan. So these are demographic variables, and the variables are already created using my syntax. So these are the 4 domains. First, I'll describe the 4 domains. So go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and Explore. Why is Explore first? So they can check directly whether the distribution is normal or not. So plots, normality. Okay. Look at the second table. Okay, this is a test of normality. You can see all the p-values are less than 0.05. Therefore, distribution is not normal. However, we look at the coefficients for skewness. Skewness divided by the standard error. Looks like the values are small. So you can put a summary, easier to explain in terms of the, because so many values here. I want to simplify, that's all. So take the form, 36, mean, median, standard deviation, skewness, kurtosis. Sometimes people do only skewness. We don't need this. All right, so this table. So that's the table you presented.
Yeah.
Decimal, take 2 decimals to be enough. Right. So you're going to put a coefficient between these two values and show that they are below 1.96. Same thing, below 1.96. Therefore, the distribution is fairly normal. So you've done this over here. Okay, based on the ratios, you can see the mean and median also quite close. Okay, that is objective number 1. We're seeing quality of life among these people. Next, we're going to testing the association between demographics and the quality of life domains. So we'll go to Analyze, GLM, univariate. So the dependent variable, we can do all in one go, but rather do one by one. Physical, the status perkawinan, kawin, jantina, bangsa, pendidikan, pekerjaan. Umur is quantitative, goes inside here. And then come to options. All these values, pekerjaan until here, sorry, go to model, custom, main effects. So bring all this inside here. I don't want interactions. Continue. Under options, and then parameter estimate. Check, okay, sometimes the new version, later version, there will be one more EM means. EM means for this and option to get this value. Continue and click OK. Check the numbers, right? Just now the value of 1 is not valid, right? The numbers are quite okay. And that's your p-values, last column. You read down your table, plug in the p-values. You can see that nothing is significant, but still have to show these values, the mean plus or minus standard error values. So go to each of the marginal means. So this is for marital status, put the values in. Jantina, so all the way until Pekerjaan. But for age is quantitative. It's like regression coefficient. So look at parameter estimate table. Parameter estimate table or more. So that is your slope and that's your standard error. Sorry for that, this and that. So similarly, for the other variable, remove this psychological. When you set everything just now, just click OK. Okay, look at the table values. Again, none of them significant. That's a parameter estimate for more. And these are individual variable marginal means. Are you following?
Yes, Prof.
Right.
Yeah.
Next one.
Wait, Prof, just now you say in the new version the EM means
Yeah.
equal to the option in this version, is
Yes.
it?
Yes. EM means option. Right. You put EM means. Okay. Let me run this. So you go to supposing EM means. You click like that. It'll come like this. EM means.
Got it.
Then go and select option. Under option, parameter estimate will be somewhere up there. Just look for this particular button. Continue. So psychological done already, right? So next is social. Okay, social, these two are significant, right? And what, three, right? Perkawinan, that's why we discussed this now. Now, perkawinan, how many levels? Perkawinan, how many levels?
There are three.
Three levels. You want to show, based on post hoc analysis, who is different. I'll show you how to find. Just now, I was just guessing, eyeballing, and say, hey, this looks low. This looks high. Obviously, 68, 52 must be different. What about 61 and 52? Are they far apart? We don't know. All right, we must do a post hoc test. So follow this. Under option, yours will be EM means. I want to know how the marital, it's not marital, it's different. Take out this, and political pekerjaan, right?
Yeah.
Next pekerjaan, okay. Now click this button to check who's different. Use this function, this method. This is not very accurate. Ben Froning, continue and click OK. So look at this table. The asterisk sign indicates pairwise different. How many asterisk signs are there?
There are two.
Two. This is between Kawin, gender, Kawin. The duplication, right?
Yeah.
Right. So only one pair is different. You can see the p-value less than 0.05. Which pair? Kawin, gender, duda. Yes, Kawin. This Kawin, this gender, duda. Sometimes what you put a superscript here to tell the reader where the different lies. I'll explain this later. From the post-hoc analysis, I found that this pair is different. Right. Superscript A. Later, at the bottom of the table, I put a footnote what the A means here. So A, pairwise difference. Symbol A refers to, superscript A refers to pairwise difference. So look at this now. When I read this, I'll see the p-value less than 0.05. That means at least one pair different. And you put a superscript A for this and A for this, that means this pair is different. What's the first group? What's the first group? Married.
Married.
The married differ from the separated. Days single in between does not differ from either group. Are you okay?
Yeah.
So let's check next one, employment status. Employment status. Okay. Is there any asterisk signs?
No.
No.
No. It has been corrected, is it? But still reasonable. Reasonable to the p-values. These are p-values. 0.072 is close to 0.5, right?
Yeah.
So which pair is it? Suriruma, Bakarja. Right? This is a repetition. Suriruma and Bakarja. So reasonably, we can say there is a difference between Bakarja and Suriruma. So go back here, put asterisk sign, Bakarja and Suriruma. Yeah, that's A. Bakarja A, right? So these two pairs. This p-value is not very high, okay? The p-value almost 0.05. That's why the difference very marginal, but still reasonable to say the difference is here. Now, for age, it was significant. Was age significant? Umur was significant. So how to report it? So that's your Umur 0.388 and standard error of this. That's all. So Umur is 0.388 bracket 0.162, and the p-value, what is the p-value? 0.018. Very clear?
Yes.
Sorry, just now when you choose the pekerjaan, the one pair difference, the data shows 0.07 something. It is chosen because, is it because it's less than 0.5?
Now, Umur here, so which one? Pekerjaan, right? Pekerjaan, the p-value is so much, right? Pekerjaan p-value is 0.018, right?
Yeah, Prof. I think she was referring to just now the pairwise difference for
Oh,
pekerjaan.
pairwise difference. Okay, pairwise difference for pekerjaan,
The
right? So, I
0.
don't see any asterisk value pairwise. The asterisk value is at 0.05. So 0.072 at 5% not significant, but 10% yes, right?
Uh-huh.
0.05 is 5%, 0.10, 10%. It's somewhere between 10 and 5%, right?
Yes.
Right. So the p-value, and look at the value who's different. Bakarjad and Suriruma. Is it a big difference?
Yes.
What's the difference now? Bakarja and Suriruma. So Bakarja and Suriruma are different. Is it good to explain the difference?
Yeah. Yes.
Social, right?
Yeah.
Bakarja and Suriruma looks like there is a difference. That's why I still maintain this, even though it's not 0.05, slightly more, still at 10%. So as I highlight, there is a difference between these two,
Okay.
right? Sorry, just now the working also, we recorded this, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so go accordingly, right? Now, maybe I do the data after combining these two, okay? That's why I'm not very clear. Not working, working housewife. So variable. Let's say make it 3 categories and say. Okay, pendidikan. How many levels?
3.
Okay, tertiary. Sekolah rendah. Sekolah menengah. Okay, all the rest will be sekolah rendah. Sorry. Pekerjaan. A lot of mistakes. Say pekerja. Bekerja, tidak bekerja, suri rumah. 3, right?
Yes, yes.
Right. Okay. Suri rumah, okay. Pelajar all become tidak bekerja. Okay, let me check now. Pekerjaan now is no more significant. Right? What value you got for pekerjaan? What's the p value for pekerjaan?
We got 0.049.
0.049. Okay, maintain that, right? 0.049. I think because I one case, already 182, but I'm carrying 183 cases. Okay, doesn't matter. Now, when it comes like this, we know there is a difference, right? Who's different? We go into the post-hoc test. Okay, this is a post-hoc test pekerjaan. We don't see much difference, but look at this value, 0.055, very close to 0.05. This between bekerja and suri rumah. You can see bekerja 66, suri rumah only 56, 10-point difference. Is it worth reporting?
Yes.
Because discussion will be easier later. Discussion, bekerja, they're happy socially compared to suri rumah. Why?
Because they have co-workers and they're always,
Right. Maybe suri rumah, most of the time they cook in the house, right?
yeah.
So other these be working people as they're seeing different people every day, then you can explain discussion better. Unfortunately, this value is not far from 0.05, but almost there. But being this p-value being less than 0.05, so I maintain this, and put a superscript between these two to show that that's a difference, and you can carry this into your discussion. That'll be more meaningful. Are you okay? Right. How do you explain this?
Yes.
Age is significant. How do you explain this? Here we said those working have better social compared to housewives. How do you explain age? The older people are better off, right? This is positive, isn't it? This very
Yeah.
positive, right? So the
Yes.
older they are, they're better off in terms of social domain. This negative, anybody say?
Younger.
If this negative,
Younger.
the older they are, the lower the social dimension, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right? So generally,
Yes.
who's better off socially, older people or younger people? We don't know. The things are changing, right? I think younger people always keep to themselves, they head down only a handphone. Older people may be mixing with others, we don't know yet. This is what we see in this particular analysis. The older the person, the higher is a social dimension score. And then take this information to discussion and see whether other literature describe this age and this quality of life. Are you okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, last one, just run. Now it is environment. Anything significant?
Not significant.
Nothing. but still enter the values. So this is for more and all these marginal means, nothing significant. Earlier, one of the groups found that education made a difference. Those with higher education were lower in terms of environment. Maybe the expectation was higher. In this case, there's nothing there. Is it okay, this table now?
Yes.
All right, let's go to correlation. Any problem with the correlation?
Yeah, we forgot how to do it.
Okay. So this is for correlation, analyze, correlate, bivariate. That means comparing two variables at a time. So physical until environment, right? So whether Pearson's or Spearman. So you already shown just now earlier, the data was fairly normal. So I can use Pearson. The data was not normal, I'll use Spearman's. So justified already, the data is fairly normal, you use Pearson. Right. So with this table, so this is a mirror image, 0.66. This value is what? Psychological and physical. This value is between physical and psychological. So a mirror image. So I can take out one side, just report this side only, below the ones. Okay, first value, physical and psychological. So what is this value?
0.67.
0.6, minus 666, okay? Bracket. What's the p-value? What's the p-value? So that's a p-value.
0.
Less than, don't say 0, 0.001. Less than 0.001. Right? 0.001. What's the next value?
0.563.
583. .583 less than
0.001.
Yeah, 0.001. Next one.
0.509.
0.5509. Okay.
0.01.
01 and
Oh, sorry, 0.001.
okay. Next, this is between psychological and social. Psychological and social, 720. The p-value. And the last one, 574. Last one is social and environment. Social environment, 584. All right. So I don't fill up this part because the mirror image of this. If I do fill up, this will go, this will be here. That's all. So why duplicate so many things? This one side is enough.
Okay.
Now how to explain this now? Are they all sizable? As shown in table X. Pairwise. Or I emphasize pairwise. The scores in all domains are significantly correlated with each other. Right? With each other. For the p-values, less than 0.001. So all the p-values are less than 0.001. So below the footnote, you put the values in parentheses, p-values. So reader reads here. So this is association or put the correlation, okay? Correlation. Between domains. So we know these are correlation values. So what is the bracket? That's a p-values. So what does it mean? All the domains are highly correlated with each other. Questions? Right, this must come before factors associated. Okay. Immediately after discussing this, so put that value first. Before testing against demography, you do this first. So describe and then correlate between them. So sequence is better. Okay, describe. So will be table 3. And then table 4 will be association between demographic and the keyword domains. Questions?
Yeah, Prof. I just wanted to ask, right, for the decimals, do we standardize it like three decimal points or how?
So all these 2 decimal, the p-value normally 3 decimals.
Okay, okay,
All the rest can be 2 decimals.
okay.
Anything else?
No, that should be it.
Okay. So now you're going to check each one. How does our value differ? Now first within social is high, right?
Yeah.
Others are not so much. But highest score was social, followed by environment, isn't it? The higher mean
Yes.
score was social, followed by environment. The physical and psychological scores were much lower compared to social and environment. And then compare these values with your literature values. Example, physical, this value. In the literature, there's some studies on physical. Compare how this physical differ from the literature value. Is ours better or poorer? Even Malaysia, studies have been done elsewhere. One example, the riverine area along the river. Was it better in the river area compared to this? So compare each one to some cited literature. It can be elsewhere, or it can be in Malaysia itself, in different population environment, right?
Yeah.
This means what? This correlation all high means what? What does it mean? When you improve social, now which among these, which one the government can help to improve?
Environment.
Environment. But the improved environment is correlated with the other variables, right?
Yes.
Environment is correlated with the other variables, right?
Yeah.
Environment with physical, environment with psychological, and so on. So improve environment, we can expect other dimensions, physical, psychological, to improve as well. They're highly correlated. Supposing this value is this, 1, are they very low? Are these values very low?
Yeah.
That means what? Environment is not connected to any of this. So improve environment, nothing will change here. But this example being highly correlated with the improved environment, we can expect some changes here, positively. Right? So what about here? marital status. So you can see that who is different, why is it possible, compare with literature. So in literature now, some study would have done physically males are better than females. In our case, even though not significant, it's other way, right?
Yeah.
Females are better off than males, right? So physically. Physical here refers to pain, score, and other things, right?
Yeah.
The males, most of them working, may expect that and then explain why. As the literature said, the physical males are better than females. Even though in my study I didn't find anything significant, the situation is that females were better off compared to the males because most of the females were housewives. Males had to go out to work. So naturally, that could be a reason why the physical is lower. Are you okay?
Yeah. Okay.
We must discuss every area, whether in the same direction we want, opposite direction, or not significant. Because it chose all this because they were in the literature. We find something not significant, only some are significant. I told you earlier that environment, the previous study, they said the education made a difference. The tertiary was lower compared to other two. In this study, we don't see the difference. You can cite some other studies.
Okay. So, Prof, even if it's not significant, we have to explain each.
Not necessarily explain everything, but supposing all the studies reported this, there's a difference between gender, okay?
Yeah.
But in our study, we did not find any difference between male and female. The reason could be most of females were housewives, whereas the males were going out to work. That could make a difference, right? You
Yeah.
don't explain everything.
Okay. Okay.
The teacher said difference between physical between male and female. Ours did not find anything. And why? Sometimes, let's say now marital status now, previous all the studies said no difference. Our study said there's a difference, right? And which group differ? Why is it possibly so? Okay.
Yeah.
Now this we have seen this some of the domains difference between single and married. But now I see is between married and what's the last one?
Others.
Oh, others are. Yeah,
Yeah,
others
which is
combined already, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Combined with divorce and widowed.
All this together, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is low. Right. So you can see that who's different. So this divorce different from married. Some study we've seen that single and married were different. We come across that, then it's better to explain why so. So there could be some differences in this study. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
So as I say, below every table, just write something. The significant difference. Okay, example, the older the person, the higher the social domain score. So take this to your discussion. Okay, discussion. So you found this and explain here. Why is it older person are better off compared to the single person socially? Any literature locally or foreign that youngsters don't mix well with the others, possibility is there? Explain. Right, example, in this study, we found that the older the person, the higher, right? This study showed that the older the person, the higher was the SD score. So what compile literature now? So what could be explanation for this? Only for social, right?
Yeah.
Others no, only for social. Remember, the people are staying together, and most of the working, the males are working. Why is it possible? And also showed that the male score was more compared to female score. Why? So all this information gathered from here, right? Gathered from here. So you write according to your finding. Don't put literature inside here. According to finding here.
Okay. We don't put literature there, but literature comes under.
The literature, after putting this, you're going to compare with literature, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, this was similar. This is similar to the study by, let's say, ABC in the year, whatever year here, who reported that older people had, this study similar to ABC, better tell where it was done. This study similar to ABC by the authors, by studying in let's say, China, by, right, very specific, in China, reported the older people are better social the quality of life. Okay.
Yeah.
Questions?
Prof, can you go up for a while?
Sure.
Yes. Yeah, table 3.
Table 3. Table 3. Table 3.
So above the one, we don't have to fill up, is it?
This one just no. See, when I fill up means this will be here, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So this is psychological and physical. This also psychological and physical, right?
Yes, yes.
So why must I repeat? Otherwise, the table looks very like heavy, isn't it?
Okay, okay, okay.
Right.
So for the conclusion, right? How do we conclude?
Now, after discussing, conclusion very short, right? You discuss this part first. I want to see this part first,
Okay, okay,
right? Based on this, you make a conclusion.
okay.
Recommendation, why so long?
Oh, this was done during the literature review.
Oh, okay. Right. Especially recommendation, the environment, right? So the environment dimension, they measure what? What are the areas? Look at the areas now. A recommendation, you want to recommend something, supposing physical is low, go and study, go and see what are the variables measured in physical. Is it body pain, whatever it is. So now these people, most of them would have been doing manual work. Manual work means very energy consuming and everything. That's why they may come back very tired, everything. So what are you going to do? How are you going to help? There must be some recreational facilities for them, right?
Yeah.
So that they can wind down. Right.
Yeah.
Rich people, when they're stressed, where do they go? Psychologically, okay? When they're stressed, where do they go?
Holiday.
No, just a short within the day, lah, not go totally holiday.
Um,
Go and play golf, go to the pub, socialize, isn't it?
yeah.
These people, can they afford that?
No.
So the way they relieve the stress, that could be a reason why these people could be high, or sorry, rather low in physical, psychological domain. We don't know. We don't know how it works. Here we are emphasizing our emphasis on the low income, right? How the low income residents could be different from other general population. Low income and PPR community, we are emphasizing this. Low income, right? Money comes in, where they live, PPR community, and you are talking about what is PPR, what kind of condition they have. So you're comparing, putting these two together, that could be a reason why the QL is low, if it is low. Now the keywords are too many. Low income, low social is the same, right?
Yeah.
COVID-19 is enough. Even this one here, this one's not necessary. We are doing the analysis there. Quality of life, low income, COVID-19, and EMCO. EMCO, MCO?
I think, yeah, we change it to MCO.
MCO, generally. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, write it up. Chapter 1 is okay. I haven't gone through after you're corrected.
Okay, yeah, we'll do the data analysis and the discussion
Yeah,
and
finish
ask.
the chapter 4 first. Write up the chapter 4. All these, right, we can improve later.
Okay.
When's the due date?
Next month. Is it next Monday, Dolly?
Right, so this weekend must finish everything, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So chapter 4 you do today and send to me?
Okay.
All right. That's all?
Yes.
All right.
You
Okay,
guys have
see you.
questions?
Yeah? That's all right?
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, see you all.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Prof.
Thank you, Prof.
You're welcome.